Hi, this is Chris Kilbart, representing Team 2, which consists of myself, Jeffrey Simpson, and Sean Densley. Created an app for a cross-country race recording. This is our home screen when you open the app. It requires an email and password to log in. If you click login without entering anything, you'll see that it shows that that's required. Below the login button, we have create a new login account. You'll see it requires an email, creation of a password, club name, and location. All of which are required. You get a toast that verifies that. We also have a reset password option. So if I were to enter an email address, and say reset password, then a toast is sent, and we go back to our home screen. There's been a notification sent to that email. That email was made up, so likely not going anywhere. For sake of time, I'm going to use pre-created data that Sean has in our database. Now you can either hit enter or tap login. I'm going to go ahead and just hit enter on my keyboard. Alright, so the club's name is displayed here at the top. It's None Faster. And these are the options you have once you've logged into the application. So we're going to start here at the top with Create Edit Runner. So here we have database pulling, list of runners that have been created for this club. We click on New Runner. Okay. So if I try to say save, it says, oh, look at that, these fields are required. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to create a runner, Jane Doe, and we're going to give her a birth date. Let's give her a fake birth date and see how this turns out. Oops. Home City, Salt Lake. We're going to say save. Oh, but look at that. We have date validation. Can't have a non-existing date. So we have a message indicating how the date format should be. And we'll just change that to a 12. And the date is saved. So there's Jane Doe, our new racer. Now to show you the edit ability, we're going to come back in. We're going to say Jane's last name is Dosey. Say save again. And Jane Doe is now Jane Dosey. Go back to our main menu, create edit race. Here we have test race 4, it's 5K. We're going to come in, we're going to change that to test race 3. We're going to make that a 10K. Alright, so you can see that that's edited and saved. We can come in and say new race. If I try and save it without, it's going to go ahead and say that those fields are required. Race date is going to have the same validation as birth date. Populate race. This is where we add our runners to our races that have been created and record the times they earned in their races. So we're going to go into the Flash 2001 1-mile race. You see Barry Allen. We'll go down to add a runner. Alright, so we've got Jane Dosey, our newest candidate. We'll add Jane Dosey. She's been saved to the race. Saw the toast. Here she is at the top of the list, Jane Dosey. I'm going to click on that time. I'm going to say that she ran this 1 mile in 8 minutes. And 35 seconds. We're going to say save. Oh, looks like we did that a little wrong. Time format is everything. There we are. So we can come back in. You can see there's her time saved in the hour, minute, second format. We'll go to club reports. Now we have 3 different reports that we discussed at the beginning of the term. Race results being the first. We got the database working for pulling the list of races. However, I did not get the code working to actually display the names of races, racers, their times, their age brackets, or which place they came in. Jeffrey worked on the personal record report. So we can come in, we can see all these runners that are pulled in. We're going to go ahead and just click on Barry Allen up at the top. Now it shows that we have a race and a distance. It should also be displaying a time. So we're going to rotate our view here, landscape it, and there we are. Time right there on the end, displayed in our landscape. We'll go back to our regular view. Oh, I turned that the wrong way, didn't I? There we go. Runner details. And if you noticed, each screen or activity of the app will be the title of the page you're on for the club that you're looking at. Now, season report was a stretch goal that we did not get to. Therefore, it doesn't work. You get a toast under construction. And then we have our logout button, which will return us to our title screen. That's everything. Hope you enjoyed seeing the application. Have a great day.